One, two, two. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna play with this. Okay. Opa. Hello, Peter. How are you doing? Hope you can hear me well, guys. Or you can hear me at all. Hope so. Hope so. Really, Javed. Hello. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, guys? Hope you can. And now what I'm gonna do is, where did I lose my chat? Yeah. Okay, why did I lose it? I didn't want to lose the chat. I didn't want to lose you now. You can't stop me. You know nothing to let me better. Okay, never mind. I'll do the two chats here. There's actually one thing that I can't really do. Can you hear me, guys? Nia, hello. How are you doing? Hope you're doing well. It's pretty cold here, by the way. All right, I'm gonna put some. Not this one. This one. Hi, Niar. How are you doing? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Ah, actually, I have a. Where are you watching right now? You're watching on TikTok, right? Huh. Okay, I can see the chat here. That's pretty cool. So I don't even have to. Yeah, you can. Okay, perfect. Can you hear me well? Can you hear me like good? I need to do this quality check. Very well. Cool. Because I'm on a microphone and sometimes, it's not what it should be. So I'm not sure about like. All right, just gonna test this for a while. Hi, Matush. How are you doing? Yaktam. All right, guys. So here I am. I have a free community link. You should be able to see it when you go into my bio, or you can see it even on freaking. Do you say that? YouTube thing. So what I'm doing is I'm just experimenting with stuff. I like live streaming. Stepan, hi. How are you doing, guys? Don't forget to actually follow me and watch me on here. You can't hear me? Well, people can hear me. It's weird that you can't hear me though. You should be able to. Can you hear me now? Now you should be able to hear me, I think. Can you hear me, guys? Those two people on a lovely YouTube. Nia, you can hear me, right? Right? You said you can hear me, so I'm not sure why you shouldn't be able. It's the same microphone. Let's go. 1 2 2 2 2 3 4 4 5 6 6 6. I can barely hear you. What? Okay, I'm gonna sort it out, guys. I don't know why you can't hear me, but I'm gonna try to put that sound a little bit up. Can you tell me if it's working, if it's a little bit better now? Niar can hear me very well. Let's go. Like Niar can hear me. Anybody else has problems? What's going on? Guys, this is pretty weird. Why? You should hear. You should be able to. I even plugged this microphone to make it work, so I'm not really sure what's going on. Yes. All right. I'm gonna check it later. Actually, I'm Janet. Ah. So why do I see Niar Alfred as a name? You got it there. Why? Anyway, guys, I have a free community, by the way, you can join. Link is in my bio, as I said. Well, I have it here as well. How is everybody doing tonight? I hope you're having a beautiful day. I appreciate everybody who is also watching me on YouTube. I'm not gonna... Alfred is your dad's name? So why did you put near Alfred? What's going on? Smatush, wait. I thought that you were AI. No, I'm not AI. I'm real. Look at this. You see? Real cheeks, real face, real body, a real human, living, breathing. Let me reach my phone, guys. Let me reach my phone, and I gotta check the live stream via my phone and the sound check. You know, it's a pain, but it's gotta be done. Guys, I'm gonna actually stay live for a very long time, so get used to it. All right, get used to it. I'm gonna be live for hours because I need some hours. You know, watch hours. I'm gonna be honest with these platforms. I need watch hours. So guys, if you watch me, appreciate it. Have you been? Yes, Honza, I've been there. Actually, guys, I'm from Slovakia. I know that YouTube is giving me a lot of people from here, Slovakia, but I speak English because a lot of my audience is from England and other countries. So don't get confused, guys. Where are you from, Honza? Are you from Czech Republic? All right, guys, give me a thumbs up if you can hear me well now, because I'm a little bit confused about your ability to hear me. But I hope you should be able to hear me now. All right, so what I'm gonna do on this live stream as well is it's not just gonna here be and promoting my community, which is brilliant step forward if you are into content creation and creating whatever. I should maybe shave myself next time. I look older. Well, I turned 33, so here I am. But I don't care, you know, it's life. Everybody's getting old. I mean, everybody wishes to be younger, but it's impossible, right? All right, I'm gonna check my own live stream. You can hear me, it's pretty cool. 1, 2, 2, this is a live check. Okay, I should be able to speak and you can hear me now. Let's try to make my phone. It's a bit delayed though. Yeah, I mean, the sound is cool. Thanks for the heart me, by the way. Appreciate it. Hello, everybody. I hope you having a beautiful Friday or whatever the day is for you. I don't really know. But here I am, guys. If you're content creators, don't forget you can still join the community. Link is in my bio. You can find it. Or underneath, actually, this video, you can find it if you're watching me on the different platforms. I am multi-streaming. I'm using Streamlabs. By the way, if you haven't heard about Streamlabs, you know what would be cool? To actually have the ability like to, oh, I can actually do it somehow. I can stream my iPad and I can write on my iPad. I will do it. Just not sure how, but I will definitely do that. Hi to my 5 viewers over there. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Every minute counts. So hope you're doing well. Let me know in the chat where you're from, how you're doing. How is your Friday? If you know, the Grok has been released, which is basically something like ChatGPT, but hopefully maybe better. Maybe yes, maybe no, who knows? Connie Cakes. Connie Cakes. Who is Connie Cakes? Hello. What's up, Connie? What's up? How are you doing? Where are you from? Let me know. You know what I'm gonna do? Shave myself right now. I don't know if it was funny. It was funny for me. Sebo is back. Hello, Sebo. How are you doing? Guys, what we're gonna do? I can't actually play much music. I know there's no music in the background, as you could have noticed, but I'm just drinking my coffee from my beautiful Z Mac, guys. And I'm trying to grow my brand, so please help me out with building my brand. I appreciate everybody who is ordering anything. Actually, I could put my shop online. What do you think? Again, it hasn't been online for a while. I put it down. I took it down, actually. And I should put it back again. I saw some people have a Z already fam thingy. Oh, it is auto zoom. Look at this. This is a cool thing, you know, having an auto zoom. Oh, it's a bit dirty. It's a bit dirty. It's so dirty. All right, guys. I'm sometimes laughing on my own jokes, and I don't really mind. So that's all right. It's all right. It's okay. You know what? I really like to experiment with the Streamlabs live streaming function here, and and I believe I can make it better. I know that you can do some animations and transformational stuff here, but I will definitely need to make it better for everybody. So, guys, what I'm gonna do right now is I just need to move my chat somewhere else, and I'm gonna use my own screen or the main screen to actually work on stuff, because I am really short for time, and as I work also 9 to 5, I have only 4 to 5 hours a day to actually create more content and work on my community, work on the graphics, work on the automation templates and all of this stuff. So what I really need is time, and I think it's best to actually be able to live stream and work at the same time. And I do believe that you can do that with me if you want to watch. Maybe if you wanna, I don't know. I know what you want from a life, you know? Do you know? You know what? I'm gonna just add here random questions. This one I'm gonna move. Maybe I need a third monitor. Actually, I was thinking about adding a new monitor here. I don't wanna lose you now. You got me, baby. Oh, oh. Yeah, randomly I'm singing sometimes, guys, so get used to it. I'm randomly singing. You know what's funny about being like doing a live stream is that you are basically talking to yourself most of the time, which is something I do anyway. Yeah, I'm just joking. Mr. Piggy Wiggle, hello, Dave Spies, how are you doing? Welcome to the live stream. Yeah, I will need to actually put my logo here as well. Let me do that. Let me do that very quickly. Let me do that very quickly. Lady T and Cordell, hello, what's up? Let me do that very quickly. You know what? I can put just like some lo-fi music or something like that on. Let's do a lo-fi. A lo-fi musica. I don't wanna lose you now. Hopefully this music will not be copyrighted, because that's what happens. And I don't know why I have a gaming topic on my TikTok. Because it should be what? Education, not chat and interview. That's the topic here. We chat, guys. That's what we do here. All right, beautiful people. I think I can also stream to Instagram and Twitch at the same time. It just really takes a lot of battery, and if I want to use this camera, I can only have one USB. You know? Yeah, 76%. Elgato, Risper, hello. Let me just move it slightly, like that. I don't wanna lose you now. Okay, what are we gonna play, guys? Lo-fi? Let's do some lo-fi music. Hello, Tominzo. How are you doing? Welcome. I'm just gonna work a little, guys. Speak English with Nuka? No, speak English with Risper. Hello. Hello, guys. How are we doing, everybody? Razy, what's up? How is everything? Guys, how do I know that this music is not copyrighted? Because I don't want people to take it down, you know? What's up, Risper? What's up, Speak English with what? What's your name? I can see the whole nickname. What? What? Cindy Threads, hello. Alright, guys, I'm gonna work. I'm not gonna lose much time. You are cool, that's cool. Yeah, can you hear the music? Can you hear the lo-fi thing? Can you hear the lo-fi music, guys? I hope you do. Hope you can hear it. Yeah, it shouldn't be copyrighted. If I don't know what to do, I can still ask ChatGPT, right? That's the best thing ever right now. Everybody's using it. It would be nice to actually log into my account directly from Chrome. I don't have a Chrome here. Let's try though. What? What is that? MPHD. There's a CAPTCHA, and I can't really get it right. Borota. Oh, no. There we go. We got it, guys. Yes, this is what I need. You know, sometimes you just gotta be like, just sit down and work for hours. I mean, like, there's no other way you can sometimes accomplish or finish things. Right. That's what I do anyway, right? But now I do it with you. And I have really low light again, which is really, you know exactly what it is doing. Okay, this might be better slightly. I believe I can fly. Okay, now where did it appear? Yeah, guys, I definitely need one more screen. I know it's horrible to have too many screens, but where did it lose? Oh yeah. Guys, I lost the... It seems like I lost... Oh, here it is. Thanks for the follow, by the way. I have a new follower here. Hello. Yes, it has some disadvantage here. I can't really see. Alright, guys. Okay, we're gonna check the... You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do a very smart thing right now. Or at least I think it's smart. Sometimes it's all about experimenting with stuff, you know? This is my stream right now. Ba 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 ba. What should I put text to make it more interesting for the viewer? Do 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 do. Yeah da 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 da. Let me just check this subtext. Better. All right, let's go. What are we gonna do next? Just play around with things, you know, like grok. Something unexpected happened. We're working to prevent it. What, bro? So the question is, where can I access grok 4? Mari Barassa, hello, how are you doing? Ah, Grok AI chatbot for lively, intelligent, real-time text dialogue. Alright. But the question is this it? And we go to Pro, how much is it? Logging with Google. Let's try. Everything is locked in with Google. Always. 15-year monthly. Okay, not too bad. Image generator, of course, it's Pro. Explore. ChatGPT. Hey, Holy Rock, how are you doing? GPT-4 Gemini, Claude, Gwen, Grok. Okay. Chatbotai.com. Is this askaichat.app? Get unlimited access to Grok 4. Fair enough. Da, 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 da. Hello, Holly. Hello, Mr. Piggy Wiggle. How are you doing, guys? Let me move it a little. I got light here, but I still feel like it's not that good. But it might be just my feeling. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna put here this timer I wanted to do. But for the timer, I guess I need really... You know what I need? You don't know what I need, right? I have again zero viewers on YouTube. Okay, what we're gonna need, guys, is totally forget what I want to do. Totally forgot, guys. I wanted to do... okay, I know now. Techfinity. Maybe on this account. Techfinity. Live tools. Techfinity TikTok live tools. You better be better than me. You gotta go to the line. Of course, I need to use Safari for this. But that's okay. We're gonna do it anyway. We're gonna do it anyway. There we go. Hi, Holy Rock. So many accounts. Okay, which one is my account now? I think I still use this one. All right, playing with some overlays. Valley at Night, hello, how are you doing? All right, do we wanna do, yeah, there's a browse thing I gotta do, and gift cannon? What is this? Ha! This is funny, guys. Sometimes like Fountain Pro. Alright, fair enough. Okay, this is what I need. Customize. Hmm. Browse source. Source. Oh. Can somebody please, guys, tap on a screen? Ah, okay, it's not there. I should be able to see something if you tap on a screen, but I'm not sure. Not sure if it's on, but I'm not sure, guys, if you want to tap on a screen right now. But if you could, that would be awesome. Okay, let me do something. Let me do one thing that I need to do. Okay, guys, if you want to tap on a screen, now is a good time to do it. But I'm adding some little overlays. Shakira, Shakira. How can I check? What is it? I can't really. Okay. But the problem is I don't see it. Oh no. I want to put it on top. How can I make it bigger, please? No, it's fine, but... that's interesting. Voila, I'm here. I'm still here, guys. How can I put it up front? That's the question now. And also, how can I make it even... Okay, I can start, pause. Can I give you like 60 minutes? If I put 120, what does it do? Okay. Just that my building. Alright, guys, I know this is not gonna be the best live stream, the most entertaining live stream you've ever seen, but fuck that shit, bro. These are one of the things I don't like about this. It's very hard to navigate stuff sometimes. You know, like, how can I just... if I want to get rid of this text here, I just can't. Wow, this is hard, man. Yeah, I can't. Oh, gosh. Ah, okay, this is a browse source, actually. Ah, okay. Come on. Ah, okay, here's another timer. I have two browse sources now, which is somehow weird. Wow, Jesus, why is not easier to make it bigger with this screen? Come on. Okay. Cool. Okay, we got one. We got one. Yeah, but we have 0 viewers on YouTube. All right. Yeah, let's just these are song requests. Bum, bum. Dun, dun. Commands. Like-a-thon, what is that? Oh, okay, let's try just for fun. Okay, guys, if you click on something right now, or if you like the live stream, you should be able to see something. Test. Ah, it's not bad actually. Okay. Looks good, but now I need somebody to actually like this live stream. Because if I click on a... Yeah, it's actually really nice. Kind of... Hello everybody, how are you doing, guys? I'm 45 minutes live. Can't even believe it myself, but here I am. Guys, I'm gonna chat a little, then I'm gonna go back to work. That's what I do. Actually, it's pretty cold in here. I should bring some hoodie. Hoodie, hide hoodie. Mm. Yep, okay. I really have 0 viewers. I figured it out, don't worry. So I use multiple browser sources with Streamlabs, and I want to use them all at the same time, but if I use, or if I change one browser source, it changes all of them. I like this camera. The only thing is that it's actually taking a lot of energy and I can't go live forever. Okay. So maybe okay. So let's see, reduction, top liker. Now I want to display the timer, right? So we got timer here. Let's copy. Add source. Oh my lord. I'm not copying, I'm just trying to. Hey TV Spot, how are you doing, Holy Rock? This is interesting, but it's just not gonna work like that. I always put a unique URL, but the problem is that it still changes for both. When I go to create a new scene, I get no option to rename. Yep, and that's the problem, guys. Here, I'm sorry, I was searching if you said differentiate is still both change when just in screenshot. I see your scenes list and sources that actually episode because I've scenes and sources reference. In Streamlabs, if you drag the same source. Guys, I have so much light in my face right now. It's crazy. Which is not that bad, but still there is not enough light, which is funny. Okay. If you drag the same source in multiple scenes or duplicate a scene, you use the same source object under the hood. Editing on effects. Drag the same source into multiple scenes or duplicate a scene. It reuses then the source object under the hood. That means editing one FX all instances that is used. Are you using the same source name with the link then? Always create a new source when adding the scene. Well, I'm using a new source. Add the next prompt. Do not select an existing one from the list. This is funny sometimes because I'm doing exactly this. Sources. Select browser source. Add a new source. Okay, got it. Timer, let's say. Yep, I have figured this one out at least. Come on. Come on, be selected. Oh. All right, be selected. Ladies and gentlemen, how can I make it bigger? Come on, let it be like this, please. There we go. Perfect. If you like this stream, you're gonna be added to the new likers thing. If you like it or not. Okay. Hello, everybody. Hello to my one viewer I have here. It's actually not easy to live stream and work at the same time, but if you think in terms of being on live stream for a few hours, it's totally fine. Guys, where are you from? Let me know. Yeah, on TikTok you can't even see that timer. This is the thing. Okay. Need to make it again a little bit lower. There we go. Okay, that's better. That's much more better now. It's actually not. I need to move it. All right, cool, guys. I will just go and restart the live stream, I guess, just for a second. I believe that would be the best I can do right now. I haven't really moved that much, but I need to take restart and need to take my... Actually, it's gonna be 1 hour. Okay, let's do 1 hour live stream and then I'll go and take a break for like 10 minutes and I go live again. And I can repeat it for 30 hours straight. I mean, why not? Okay. Yeah, it's pretty hard to do timer and screen at the same time, you know? Anyway, if you haven't heard about this Tikfinity where you can do all these beautiful overlays, check it out. It's pretty cool. Event API, what it does. Hmm. Hmm. You can drop coins? What does it mean? Hmm. Yeah, timer is a good thing. That's... Every time a user earns or loses points, a transaction will be posted. You can manage these transactions here. What does that mean? Earns or loses points, a transaction will be posted. You can manage these transactions here. Not sure what it means. TTS chats. Ah, okay. Here we have text to speech chat. Here you can read out the chat comments from your viewers automatically at text to speech. The voice is played directly in the browser. No overlays required. TTS feature is also available with actions, which offers more flexibility. The voice is directly played in the browser. What is it? I can't really hear anything. works, how it works. Just things. Hmm. Follow alert, gift alert, sub alert. Oh, okay. Hmm. OBS doc. Not sure I understand this. Do some. Holy Rock. Hello. Hey Bree, how are you doing? I don't always change the dock bro, so as you can see live instructions on your screen, those switching tabs. You can see what? Or you can. Marie, hello. I got one new follower during this live stream. I'm just experimenting, guys. Hope you're doing well. What's the doc for user command or send gives and call them out on the stream? Trigger what automated on-screen knowledge you can pair it. Can log the activity feed into spreadsheet via TechFinish's webhook feature. Interesting though, guys, but I'm not sure if it's gonna actually help me out in any way. Hey Samu, how are you doing? Click. The problem with this dock is that it will be seen also in the TikTok live stream where they already see the chat. So what is the advantage? Although having a third party app for more advanced version would be great. Ba 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 da dum da 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 da. All right, it makes sense. Okay, let's try it out. Let's do this one. Oh, okay. I got the. Uh, view, go to menu, view docs. All right, where can I see that thing? View docs. Let's see. Let's see. Je go. It would be nice, but it's pretty slow. Everybody, Pocahontas, hello, how are you doing? Hmm. Yeah, it's like your contents. Keep it up. Oh. Do, 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 do. Last chat. Well, the challenge is already there, right? Counter. Go overlays, likes, shares. Hello, Pocahontas. How are you doing? I'm doing good. I'm just experimenting with some stuff, so you might experience very lovely, to say that, quiet live stream. Where are you from? Where are you from? where are you from? Let go, set up Minecraft connection. Belgium. I think you've been here already, right? I've seen you. Have you followed this account? Or I'm not sure if you followed. But you might have. What do you do? What do you do in life? Give your most loyal viewers additional benefits with text to speech. New voice mode. Live channels. Hello, how are we? Hello, how are we? How are we today, guys? I'm just sort of experimenting with stuff here. And this is one thing that kind of, you're doing fine, all right. Yeah, I'm doing fine too. Yeah. Okay, let's try if I can show it. Can you send a message now? Just say anything. I wanna I wanna see, guys, if it works in the chat. Oh, because I am experimenting with some layouts with Streamlabs, which is a software for streaming. And kind of need to have some people who are gonna help me out with this. Show chat, just follows, show joins. You know. So I'm trying to do stuff. We got 4 people watching. Pretty cool. How are we? Yeah, I can actually, this one overlay is not that bad. I just need to make it a little bit bigger. Ah, timer is... What happened to timer? What the heck, bro? Got 2 of the same ones. I don't want to do. This one browser we can't get rid of. No! No. I didn't want to get rid of the timer or the gifter thing. This should go away. Okay, better now. What's up, how are we doing? Come on, Jesus. The only thing on this Streamlabs is that really you can't make it easy. Right, this is it. You know, we want to make it bigger and it's such a pain. Like, okay, here. Better. Finally. What are you up to? I'm doing great. I'm just building this stuff, guys, and yeah, you can see actually the somebody who likes the most here with this. You sent 552 likes. What the heck? What the heck? All right, what I'm up to. I don't know. It's Friday. I'm streaming, just having a good time, just trying to experiment stuff, building some AI agents, building my community. Don't forget, guys, you can still join the community. The link is in my bio. It's totally for free. I still got only one member there, so looking for a few more members who are also content creators and would like to join and grow together, you know? Okay, and now we know what I want to do. Ah, okay, it shows. Cool, cool, cool. This is what I need. Okay, so it's like a chart. Okay, okay. But good thing is, like, I can actually click on it and it will get me straight to your profile. So now I know we exactly. It wouldn't work though. The only thing I can do, okay, we're gonna actually come up with some automation. Why not? Right, so let's see. Let's work on this together. You're still liking, thanks. At least I see some interaction. Where are you from, by the way? I forgot already. Why do I have 4 hours on my timer? This is wrong. Ah, okay, I got every like is actually plus 10 seconds for my live stream. So that's why I have such a huge time there. Wow, okay, I need to change that rule, definitely. Because I'm gonna be here forever. Hey, what you saying? Yeah, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna actually, from India, wow. Okay, I'm gonna change the rule here because every like, every like, guys, every like is a 10 seconds more for this live stream. Okay, we're gonna change it now because I don't want to be here forever. I'm gonna change it. Okay, per like, you add only 1 second. So every like is 1 second more. Okay, well, I'm gonna change it for 5 hours. Ah! I'm gonna pause it. Okay, I'm gonna reset it. I'm gonna start again. Okay, now we got 2 hours. Okay, I'm gonna pause it and I'm gonna do 30 minutes because I was back in 30 minutes before. You gotta be smart with this stuff, you know? Reset, start. What? It should be 30 minutes. Pause, reset, start. Okay, default start is here. I'm gonna change my default, guys. I'm gonna change my default right now. Let's go, everybody. Pause, reset, start. Cool. All right, guys, it's 30 minutes of my live stream. Just kidding, I'm from Kenya. Okay, I didn't know. You could be from India. Who knows? Guys, so every like is 1 second more on my live stream, but don't go crazy, please. Okay, I'm gonna reset it to 15 minutes because I know there's some people who are just freaking crazy. Okay, I'm gonna I'm gonna do 20 minutes and I'm gonna reset, start. All right, thanks for the likes, by the way, appreciate it. Guys, don't forget to follow these accounts if you can, please. It really helps. Hisan Hussein, how are you doing? Guys, you still haven't followed, you haven't changed, you haven't checked out my community. And I want all of you inside there, guys. Bonjour, Emanuela, ça va, ça va? Très bien, comment tu t'appelles? Je suis des noms, je suis des Slovaquiens, je parlais un peu de français, mais c'est très difficile pour moi de parler français. Tu veux parler français avec moi? Nous pouvons prouver, le... Kidding, guys, I can't really speak French. Emanuela Bentuni, hello, how are you doing? All right, what I want to do is, so you know what I'm actually doing. Here is lo-fi music playing. I'm doing a little nice live stream, coming up with some new automations because I believe automations are a way to grow, a way to conquer the world, way to do stuff, you know, and there's nothing to lose. So what I'm actually doing right now is using Tickfinity Ba-ba-da-da-da. Pocahontas v Samo. Are you still here, guys? Give me a. You pronounce my name really well. Emanuela. Emanuela. Who is liking still? Guys, you're still adding time. Okay. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to say in my text here. One like equals one more second. Bam. Oh, you know what I don't like about this? I really like, honestly, the Streamlabs. It's cool, but the only thing I really don't like is it's very hard to navigate, you know, sometimes. And you know what's the problem? That I can live on this battery for too long. 36 minutes. Okay, one like is 1 second, so don't go crazy, guys. Otherwise, I'm gonna turn it off. And I will. Thank you, Pocahontas. Thank you, we. I think you're the ones liking this. Thank you, Pocahontas. Thank you, yeah. All right, we got this. So, what's your plan for the weekend, guys? You don't have to like all the time. It's cool. I mean, it's cool, but you know what I mean. All right, we got people from India. We's from India. How is life in India? Tell us. Road trips? Where you gonna go? Where you gonna road trip in? You are sunshine of my life. Of my life. Guys, this live is gonna be forever like this. Road trips. All right. Thanks for the coins. I don't know if you send the coins, but it's crazy. It's crazy what you can do. It's totally crazy. All right. So, guys, I'm building also automations. So, please leave me alone. It's so crazy when somebody goes live and then it's like, leave me alone. I don't want to be here. I don't want to be here with you at all. No, you know, I'm figuring out also how to do the transitions that you can actually do here when you are streaming from a laptop, which is pretty cool. Okay, I don't know if I like this angle, to be honest. I need to change it a little. Okay, let me change the camera angle. Let me change the camera angle a little, like this. Okay, I shouldn't do the time thing, because we is gonna crazy. Guys, who speaks French here? Anybody's French speaker? All right, so what we're gonna do here, I have a Tikfinity freaking, how do you call it? Tikfinity tab where you can open it and see the chat, okay? And now I wanna do one important thing. And it is, how can I use this with NNA and to do some automation where I could basically see or send a message to that user. Maybe even find him on, those are good, Instagram. Guys, tell me if you have the same name on TikTok as you have on Instagram. Do you? Find Instagram and then DM. All right. Thanks to the likes, by the way. No? Okay, so This is very disappointing, actually. You should have the same. Yeah. So I don't know what to do now. Okay, guys, I think 1,000 likes is enough from one person, by the way. Because other guys are gonna go for 10 hours on this live stream, which I can't do. I can't. I just can't do it. And I'm getting hungry as well. All right, this is a really smart idea. So, guys, I'm gonna just read out loud what I just put into the Chat GPT. And what I'm trying to do, I want to automate everything that comes to content creation. So I believe that content creators can have automated idea creation, lots of stuffs. And I'm really working on it. I really am passionate about doing this. And then à nouveau, hey, how are you doing? Guys, you know what I need to do? I need to switch the camera, it seems, right now. Yeah. Because otherwise my laptop is gonna go crazy. Okay, let me switch the cameras. I hope I'll manage. Let me guys please. Or you know what? I should have one camera here already. Yeah, now it's switched. Brilliant. Anyway, you know why I switched? Because if you have guys, Hambal is goated. Thanks for the likes. If you have guys MacBook, it's okay, and then I don't worry. Oh sheesh. Oh sheesh. Right, all right, we got this. We got this now. Okay, we changed the cameras. This is actually a pretty different quality, which is okay, but now I need to change the angle. This is a Genius Full HD 180p. Yeah, it's not that sharp, but it's a little bit, how do you say that? It's not blurry, it's actually softer, which is not that bad. So why are you still complaining? I'm not complaining. Actually, I think this camera is a little bit better, right? What do you think, guys? It's not like better, but it's different for sure. What do you think? Tell me, what do you think? Right now, come on. What are you doing with your life? Okay, guys, I don't want to scream at you. I didn't mean that. All right, let me just move it around a little. Okay, Adena, thanks for the likes, by the way. As you know, every second will add one more second. Every like will add one more second to the live, so be careful with likes, please. Yeah, it's. I need to make it a little bit smaller now. Because it goes over the chat. There you go. Okay, Edena, how are you doing? If you want, guys, don't forget. check out the community, and I am gonna just come up with this automation which just came to me in my dream. No, actually, really. So this is a really smart idea, technically doable at least in parts. You want to listen to the Tickfinity live chat feed, capture user messages and username, trigger some workflow in NA or another automation tool. Optionally, try to find them on Instagram and send them a DM. Here's how to think about it step by step. Get the data from Tickfinity. Currently, you are viewing the widget feed page, which is the HTML in your browser. This is not an API endpoint, just a web page that shows the chat. So you can't just plug the URL into NNA and expect to push events. But Tickfinity does not offer webhooks. Does offer webhooks. On the Tickfinity dashboard, settings, webhooks, other webhook URL. There you can define a webhook URL where Tickfinity posts every event. My favorite game? You mean video game or game in general? Because I don't have video games. I don't play video games. There you can find webhook URL to post every event. Message gift username is JSON. So in NA, create a webhook node, generate a URL, pass that into Tickfinity's webhook settings. Now Tickfinity will push chat events directly to NNA workflow. The webhook payload will look something like we message what are you up to, platform TikTok. Use the webhook trigger. What I'm doing now, actually, I'm building automations for myself and for every content creator. Are you also a content creator, Edena? Or you're not? Tell me. All right, use the webhook trigger, pass the command JSON, then you can filter for certain keywords. All right, you can filter for certain keywords. And now this is what we need. Store the user in Airtable, Google Sheets, or trigger another service. Optional, search Instagram. Instagram does not have a public API to search by TikTok username, so you can't directly map a TikTok username to an Instagram account in an automated way unless you maintain your own mapping. Options, build your own database when you meet users. Ask them to drop their Instagram handle and store it, or use OpenAI's ChatGPT app to try guessing looking up an AG handle risky and inconsistent. Or use a paid third-party data enrichment tool like Prepare to try matching users. It only allows business accounts send messages to user. You want to content reactor? No, content creator, not reactor. Hello to the one viewer on the YouTube, by the way. How are you doing? Yeah, Instagram official API only allows business accounts to send message to users who have messaged you first. If you run a business Instagram account and the user follows you, has messaged you before, you can set up automated replies via message. Otherwise, fully automated for support, but you can technically script it using tools like Instagram. Browse automation tools like Pipti, Selenium. Okay, not recommended for scale. But you can do easily. Tickfinity webhook and save user and message. Alert you store database trigger manual outreach. You can easily automate reliably find them on Instagram and message them if you don't already have their Instagram handle. Get it. This is pretty cool. Draft ready to work for offline. Write the webhook filter Google Sheet. That's good enough for you. And I can write a clean step-by-step for an eye. You see that my English is not perfect. Where are you from? Are you from France? Parlez-vous français? Where are you from? How do you say where are you from in French? I think. Yeah, it's a little bit West Africa. Okay. Fair enough. All right. Okay, I'm thinking now. can you help me to speak English? I'm not sure if I can. I'm not teacher. But I guess you want to become polyglot? Polycot. Polyglot you mean, right? You're so sad. Why? I can at least store the keywords and work with that later. You cry? Why you cry? Jesus is very coming soon. Okay. But who is liking the live, guys? It's too many likes coming, I guess, because it's still adding time here. It's a true God. Yes, okay. It's not easy. The webhook option will so keywords and challenge is the most reliable scale approach for now. It's a step by step. Goal. When someone chats in your article again, store username, message, event type, timestamp, did keywords into Google Sheet. Follow up. Click add webhook. Okay, we're gonna do that right now. So settings. Okay, in settings. Where I find these settings here. Wow. Let me go suffer. Alright, still a challenge, Wheel of Fortune. Oui, oui, oui. Oui, oui, ça va. Very well French, yes. Yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Ivorienne. Okay. I can't find add webhook option in Yako. What is that? Yako, pourquoi? Pourquoi pas? Because you don't speak English. Okay. Alright, yeah, guys, I'm trying to figure this one out. What are you doing? Can you answer slowly, please? I'm doing automation, guys. I know that I should maybe for the next live stream, I will share my screen and show you actually what I'm working on. But for now, guys, if you want, I have a link to my community for all the content creators who want to, use AI automation. It's a free community. You can join via the link in my bio. It's the first link in my bio where you can join. So, guys, if you like, go ahead. You can find it there. I can't use Dickfinity app since it is only for Windows. So maybe the TikTok connector would be the way. That would be the way. Cons TikTok usernames. Charlene, hello. What's up? Long time no see, no hear, no touch. Charlene, have you changed the name? Or was it like that? I don't know now. When you run Scriberways. Yes, well, it was like that. Right. Yeah, guys, I have opened a new community, but Charlene, you are already, I think, in the old one, right? Ba, 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 ba. Chosen. Yeah, it was chosen, no? I think. Work is just crazy. Too many backs. You're still running the business, no? The Woodies. Yeah, I mean, like, it's the same for me. I have really limited time. That's why actually I'm here, to be honest, because it's very hard with time, you know? Especially when I work like 9 to 5 and then I need to find some time and energy to work on my own projects. I decided that I am gonna live stream for hours, everything I do, and build while live stream, right? Because there's like no other way I can actually find time like to do stuff, then go for live for 2 hours, and then just impossible. Although I know that if I do live streams like this, when I'm like focusing on, I don't know, doing Canva templates or focusing on building community materials or building the automations, it's not that interactive with the audience, so then it's really bit hard to get any retention, which is understandable. But on the other hand, what can I do? It is what it is. Right. Okay, we got a TikTok connector, but okay. I'm just working. I'm not sharing my screen, but we can talk. We're working with numbers. What kind of numbers? What do you mean? Before, I'm just talking to my ChatGPT. Before I build it, because I'm building one automation with TikTok live stream. You work in finance? Okay, what kind of job? Okay, before I build it, what is some practical uses of this so I can scale and grow my community? Hello everybody, hope you're doing well. Okay, so the question is, why track live chat in events? I don't know. I'm just trying to build some automation that will be perhaps good for somebody. I don't know. Also, I'm streaming to YouTube, by the way, guys. So if you want, you can watch me on YouTube. Because YouTube is good when you get 4,000 watch time hours, which I am aspiring to get to this year. Yeah. Okay, honestly, what's the point? So before you build anything, smart question to ask is, what's the point? How can this actually help me grow and scale my community? Here are practical high leverage use cases. High leverage, this is important stuff, guys. You need to learn leverage. Leverage your audience, leverage your time, leverage the content. Leverage. All right, we got this. High leverage use cases you can implement with TikTok Live Connector plus NNA that are realistic, scalable, and community driven. Okay, I'm gonna put the music down a little. Why track live chat? So why track live chat and events? Your live stream is where you're warmest. This is cool. So your live stream, we're talking about live streams, okay? I'm gonna just maybe move a little. This little cam. Okay. All right. Okay, let's move it. So, why track live chat and events? Your live stream is where your warmest, most engaged audience hangs out. That's true. Capturing their activity, building a database of your most likely superfans, leads, and collaborators. You want to turn fleeting attention into long-term connection. Build a Superfan CRM, collect usernames, messages, gifts into database, Google Sheet, Airtable, Notion. I like Notion. Track who shows up most often, who sends gifts most often, who asks the best questions. Tag them as a superfan when they meet a threshold. Later, you can offer them early access to your community, DM them personalized thanks for invites, create leaderboards or VIP perks. Auto-trigger follow-up actions. Set up keywords triggers in chat if someone says community. You DM them link to join. That would be great, but I can't do that really on here. How? Auto-paste a canned answer. What? I don't know what. Free, invite them to your free group. You can send yourself a Discord Slack alert when someone mentions a key phrase and reply live or later. That's pretty doable, smart. Create a public on-stream engagement widgets. Use the data you're already capturing to update a live leaderboard overlay, a top gifter counter, goal tracker that we can do already in Tickfinity, it's okay. Learn what your audience wants. Analyze chat transcripts after streams. Which questions came up the most? Which topics sparked engagement? Which phrases convert best when you pitch your community? That's actually a good one. Use this insight to craft better content offers and streams. Fair enough. So guys, if you've been watching for 5 hours now, no, actually I'm live for 2 hours. I'm just getting started. Automate outreach funnels. So after each stream, take your list of active users. Look up Instagram, TikTok profiles manually or semi-automated. Send a thank you message. Saw you on my live. Thanks for hanging out. Here's the free community link if you'd like to join. Fair enough. This can increase conversions from viewers, community members, customers. Example strategy. During live stream, call out users by name when they comment. Obviously, hello Shelen, hello Samo, hello Kira Castillo. Mention type community in chat and I'll DM you the link. After live stream, see who said community and then I will log it. DM them within 24 hours with link and thanks. Add them to your CRM for future offers. Over time, you know who your top 10 fans are. You know what topics resonate. You can reward and retain your best supporters. How does this help you grow? Turns anonymous viewers into warm leads. Turn casual lurkers into engaged superfans. Builds long-term owned relationships outside TikTok. Helps you test and improve what your audience responds to. If you tell me you're a niche audience creator, say I'm you'll go for community, paid, free, which value deliver. I can tailor 3 specific workflows for messages of CTAs to feed your brain. Walk me. Just say, show me 3 workflows for. Yeah. Okay. Show me 3 workflows for. What is the niche? AI content creators. Maybe. Hello, Ambra. Ambra. Show me 3 works for AI content creators. Rock. Hello. Deco. Infinity Found. Build your free low ticket community. Go your community. Discord schools are well. Let's see. If you want to join. Yep. If you want to join my free Z Creator Always community, just type join in the chat and I'll send you the link after the stream. That's one way to do it, right? Just type, guys, join in the chat and I'll send you a link after the stream. Listener script. Shall change data since to internet. We will filter node if message join our community, add to Google Sheet or it's interesting optional. Slack, Discord are like, we want to join the Creator Hub. What are you up to? Build list from Airtable, send personalized DM on TikTok. Hey, thanks for joining my live. Here's the AI Creator Hub link. Build an opt-in list of games warm leader. Participation. Go make your live stream interactive and sticky where top fans and create. Top 3 gifters or chatters tonight get a shout out. Plus 3 A prompts. Listen and scripts, check against events and Yeah, this is the good one. What's your biggest struggle with using AI as a creator? Drop in the chat. Which message do share several times too? Topic discovery, learn pain points, tailor content, better videos, products first. The topic discovery is cool. Suggestion for an exact topic or lead magnet. Okay, let's try. What's your biggest struggle? Papa. Okay, let's change the text, for example. Okay. We'll see if this one is gonna pick it up. Mackie Pictol, hello, how are you doing? All right, so I'm super keen actually on building this webhook, but it's gonna take a while. Topic discovery. Okay, show me free workflows. That would be interesting, but Hmm. Okay, this is not gonna actually, I think, work. Can be risky. I think. Okay, we're enough. Okay, we got 19 minutes. Clarifies us what it is. Can it actually fit your goals? Track chat isn't just make sure this is. Hello, Elmo. How are you doing? Who is Elmo? Because it's funny because I'm building automation that will actually listen to my chat during the live stream. And one of the options that it told me is, or hire someone to watch and collect chat feedback during live stream. Cool. Yeah, it's pretty smart. TikTok Live Connect does capture chat reliably. That's cool. It's unofficial and could break if TikTok changed their backend. For now, it's your best shot to automate chat-driven workflows on macOS. If you're okay with minor risk and it's for your own stream, go ahead. Just needs for scraping other people's streams. Okay, if you like, I'll drift. All right, we'll think about it. All right, guys, I'm gonna have some food, and I'm gonna think about the ideas. How can I make this live stream a little bit more engaging? Because I know now there's like 0 views, just because of our low engagement. But that's all right. It's okay. We live, we move. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for being here. Even if 2-3 people were here, I appreciate it. See you in my next live stream. And yeah, see you in my next live stream.